Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Angela here at Angela Mutavi Art. Today's video is about reusing this canvas. It's a 14 by 14 painting that I did a while back, and I don't like it. It's because I used Artist Loft soft body, and the cells didn't turn out right. So I wanted to show you also the handles. I got these handles on Amazon, and they are awesome. They are a game changer, these handles. And what I'm gonna do is I'll link I'll put the link in the description where you can go get these handles. You will love them, I'm telling you. It's just hands-free. You know, your hands will never have any paint ever again. And you can also kind of get rid of the gloves if you like when you have these handles. And yeah, so I am going to those are the paints that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to put them on the description, the colors and the consistency. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and get started. And basically I'm just going to pour a layer in the cup. I'm gonna put layers in the cup of the paint, and then I'll pour in the middle. My base paint is that grayish color you see there. It's just a color that I had accumulated under my paintings. So when I collect it, I strain it, I add a little bit Floetrol, and it comes back to life. So yeah, let me go ahead and torch that so all those bubbles can come out. And yeah, again, it's the same process. And again, this is gonna be, I'm aiming for like a cloud, some clouds, or just really simple painting. I didn't want to waste the canvas, just wanted to use it. So whatever painting comes out, we'll take it. It will be awesome. And I think with these colors that I'm using, it's really gonna be awesome because they are nice bright colors. We have some reds there, some turquoise, and all other good colors. So let's go ahead and watch and see what we get at the end. And I will touch bases with you as soon as this is done, and I'll show you the dried result. And yeah, so thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel by going by watching my videos, by going on Amazon and purchasing some of these items through the links that I put in the description. And this is how, you know, this is a couple ways you can support my channel. So yeah, I appreciate it very much. So enjoy the music and the video, and I'll see you towards the end, and I'll show you the final result. All right, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Wow, check this painting out. I mean, it was a very simple painting, and I do like the way it turned out. It's actually really nice, and it's bright and beautiful. I didn't get as much cloud as I wanted to, but that is okay. That is okay because, you know, the painting looks really beautiful, and we don't always have to get clouds. And again, you know, starting this painting, I just wanted to salvage the canvas and just make it useful. So that's what I did, and look what we got. It is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I'll show you when I hang it. It might not be completely dry, but I want to hang it on the wall and just kind of show you how it looks like when it's dry. And I'm hoping that it will dry like this. it the canvas, I mean, there's not very much paint left on the canvas because I tilted it really good. So usually when you tilt your painting, your canvas, and make it pretty much dry, not dry, but pretty much all the paint off the canvas, it kind of dries better because there's no chance of it sagging in and losing the composition or losing the style. So yeah, so I will go ahead and show you the final result right now. Look at the cells, beautiful Christmas colors. As you all know, Advent started this last Sunday, and definitely these are beautiful Advent colors, and as we prepare for the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Yeah, so here's the painting hanging on the wall, and it looks beautiful. Thanks again. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and all that good stuff. We'll see you again soon. God bless. Bye.